back. Wait. Dat. Good. Hoi. Goodies for doggy. Ooh. Pants. How does this work? I have no idea. There we go. Yep. Hopje. Hopje. Looking good. Show it. Show it to the people. This is the Gladiator support harness. We have a collar too, with a very interesting name that I keep forgetting. Do you like it? Yes. Yes. This is the low noise silenced Fidlock buckle padded collar. Hank. Next up, for the cold wintertime campings. Yes. Ta-da! That. Drool, doggy drool. Delta, my sweet little boy. You are too fat. Can we fix this? I don't think we fix it. I'm so sorry, boy. But you're too fat. Oh, it's okay. So Delta needs a diet. No, he doesn't need a diet, but it doesn't fit. But this is the Bomber Canine jacket. We have some small items left. A patch, sharp patch for doggy, yes for you, and a patch for mommy. So, good boy. This is for mommy too. It's a pistol holster, but to put inside of your pants, like this, with the buckle. And we have a mag pouch that is adjustable. If you have longer magazines, you can adjust it like that. And when you put the magazines in, you can turn it upside down and they won't fall out. Do you need that? Good. Alright. Sit. Oh, he's so pretty. Is it color or color? Color. 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 Hi guys, I'm Dutch. Can you tell? Ow. La 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 la. Oh. Low noise. Silent. Fidlock. Buckled. Padded. Color. Because hell no. Dat. This is the low noise silenced Fidlock buckle padded thingy. I made it. Moving on. La 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 la. La 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 la.